Hey y'all, I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am going to be making one of my little grandbabies' favorite little things, and that is some chocolate chip cookies. My little sugar babies love these, and the last couple times they've come and spent the night, this is what they've asked for. And one of the little mamas actually asked for the recipe as well, so I'm going to show it to y'all. Now these have been tried and true. Like I said, I have made these I don't know how many times, and it always turns out good. I've got my oven set 375 degrees, and I'm gonna start. I've got 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Now to that 3 cups of flour, we're gonna add let me get my salt first. About a teaspoon. I'm just doing about a half teaspoon of salt because I've already got salt in my butter, so I'm gonna go with the salt in this flour. And my baking soda, I'm going to do a teaspoon of baking soda and a half teaspoon of baking powder. Now I'm sure that you could probably just use self-rising flour, but I always just do it the way the recipe calls for. So, and I don't even know where I got this recipe from. I've been using it for quite a while. So we're just going to give this a little mix, mixy mix, and I'm going to set it to the side. Now we're going to start with our other little ingredients, which is some butter, which I don't have. Alright, I'm going to start with some softened butter. You need a cup of butter. So 2 sticks of butter, and I just had them sitting on the counter. Getting all soft and happy over there, room temperature. So we're going to go ahead and give this just a little stir here. Just going to get it whipped up. Now it's soft, so it does not take but a minute. Now we're going to add a cup of just white granulated sugar, and we're going to add a cup of light brown sugar. So get our sugars in here. Thank you again, Miss Harriet, for this wonderful mixer. I am enjoying it, as you can see, and every time I use it I think of you. I really do. Alright, a cup of this brown sugar. It's all clumpy. It'll be all right though. We're going to grind it up in there. Give this a little stir. We're just going to cream this together. All right, just got that mixed in there good. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my 2 eggs in there. 1 and 2. I don't think I got it on my hands, but I don't want to be touching stuff. Alright. Get her to singing again. Alright, you just want to get these lumps out, so all is well. Now I'm going to start adding my flour in here. Now 3 cups of flour with all the goodness. Alright. And this is going to be thick, y'all. It's cookie dough, but I do still have to add the vanilla, so I guess we'll go ahead and do that. I don't measure, I measure with my heart, so about 2 teaspoons of that. Look at there, Russell. I'm about at the end of the barrel. We got plenty more.
Oh, yeah.
We got some more on our cruise, y'all.
We reloaded that.
We did. Took care of that. Turn her up a little bit. Alright, see this? This is exactly where we're supposed to be right now. See, it's just all thick and... Alright. Now, the best part... Some good old chocolate chips, y'all. I use the whole bag. The recipe calls for 2 cups, and it's almost to be exact. But and I do like the Hershey's, the milk chocolate. You know, you can put dark chocolate, you can do whatever, but I love good old milk, the milk chocolate. Now I'm gonna give this another little stir. I normally just take a spoon at this point and start stirring it. Yummy, yummy. Look at all that goodness. There you go. Get all them little chocolate chips mixed around, moved around. So you don't just bite one big old piece of chocolate, which, hey, ain't nothing wrong with that, but gotta share the love.
Yeah.
Share the love, that's right. Alright, I'm gonna clean off my beaters here. Like so. Alright. Now I'm gonna get my little cookie sheet back there. I use like the Teflon coated, so I don't grease it, none of that. You can put it on some wax paper if you would like. But I don't do all that. So I'm gonna move all this stuff off the way, and then I'll drop my cookies on there, show you what they look like. All right, now you can put your dough in the refrigerator for a little bit and let it get cold, or you can make little balls and slip it in the freezer, or you can just, if you're impatient, just go ahead and put it on there, do it up. I just take a little scoop, and I try to make, you know, them all the same size. That's why I like using a scoop. And it's just super easy to do that. Little scoop. And another good thing about this recipe, y'all, I'm going to fill up this pan, and you'll see I'll still have plenty left over. So what I do is put it in the freezer for when the little babies come back, or when we want something a little sweet or something like that. So this recipe really makes a whole lot more than you would get if you bought it, you know, the little tube in the store. That's right. And
they better.
And they really are.
Oh man, they're good.
They are. Now, the trick to these cookies, and to almost any cookie really, people tend to overcook them. So don't overcook your cookie. Bring it out when it looks, I'm going to cook these for about 8 minutes and look at them. Bring it out when it looks like it's raw, and I'm telling you, you won't regret it. Because when they'll finish baking a little bit when you bring them out. Oh my goodness, and they're soft and just
perfect.
Perfect, they are. All you need is some milk. I'm telling you, my little grandbabies love them.
They eat them up.
They do. They'll be like, Gigi, I need a little bag. Take them home with me.
They take their little goodie bag.
They do. You know how it is, y'all grandmas out there. You always try to send your little sugar babies home with something. So, and I will put the rest of this up in the freezer, honey, for my little babies, sure enough.
Yep.
My kids like it too. My daughter informed me, you know, we like these too, not just the kids. She come last week, and I had made some, little Miles had made some cookies. And she's like, this is all that's left. I'm like, honey, you don't understand.
Yeah.
I sent some home and
yeah,
all that. Anyway, see how quick it is to just put it together, y'all? And the good thing about it is you know what you got in your food when you make it at home. You know there ain't no weird recipe. No weird ingredient. It's just your little sugars and eggs and natural ingredients. That's all. Sometimes that makes the biggest difference.
Yeah.
Yeah. Even like Rice Krispie treats. Honey, you don't know what all's in them things.
Man, I'm going to tell you, you make some good Rice Krispie treats.
I love Rice Krispie treats, y'all. That's probably one of my favorite little sweet treats myself.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Sometimes I'll just be in the store, I'm like, oh Lord, they'll be whispering to me, come here. I love them. All right, look at that. Now, I also want you to look in this bowl when you get done zooming. Look how much is left.
Oh yeah, that's probably
tons. A whole nother pan. It really is. It really is. And let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've got 24 cookies here. So 2 dozen cookies plus, and you don't get but like 12 in the roll or the little square pack. You know how they do them now. So anyway, in the oven this goes, and I'm going to come back in about 8 minutes, y'all. Ooh, show you these little lovelies. Alright, y'all, out the oven. It's been exactly 8 minutes. See how it starts to get brown around the edges there? That's what you're looking for. Now, I know they don't look like they are completely done, but trust me, have no fear. They're going to keep cooking here just a little bit, and they're going to be so good. And I want to show you. I got my little log here. I already got it. I wrapped it in some wax paper, then some aluminum foil. But look at that, a whole nother log. It makes about 48 cookies. So you can just do one big old batch, or you can split it, I guess, and just do one little batch if you don't need it. But those are excellent right out the freezer. And y'all already did all the work, so I was baking them. So we're going to give these just a little minute, and I'm going to come back and show you what they look like after they rest just a minute, and we're going to have one, right, Russell?
Yeah.
All right.
Can't wait.
All right. All right, y'all, just like that. Chocolate chip cookies. Quick and easy.
Yeah.
It didn't take a total of 15 minutes, I'd say. 15, 20 minutes. Got all these little lovelies, all these little sugars.
Yeah, and I'll say our grandbabies love helping their Gigi make these.
Love their heart.
They get in the kitchen and put their little aprons on.
They do.
And they help Gigi, and they love eating their cookies that they make.
They do.
And they love taking their cookies that they make home. Yeah.
Yeah, it's funny because now they know I have a rack outside my pantry door, and they go right over to that rack and get them a little apron. They know they got their own aprons. They put their little apron on, tie me up, Gigi, and they ready. I thought I'd got a picture of Miles last weekend making them, but I've got some somewhere. I know Montgomery. I got one of Montgomery. He loves it. Anytime I go to cook, honey, he's also got a little stool in the pantry. He drags that stool out, and he's got his little.
He's standing right here.
He's standing right here. He's waiting on it. He loves
So y'all,
it.
if you got your grandbaby, it's a great way to get them in the kitchen, get them involved.
Weston too, my little Weston.
Yeah, they all love it. They all love to be up in here with the Gigi.
And y'all seen River and Mabry.
Yep.
And a little bit of Miles and Montgomery. But anyway, my little sweet babies.
These cookies are good, y'all. I'm telling you.
They really are.
I don't get a whole lot of them when she makes them because them kids eat them up.
They're not here today.
I don't need a whole lot of them.
No. We don't need a whole lot of them, but they will get some cookies.
Yeah.
So
somebody gonna get some cookies.
They'll get some cookies. Yeah. But anyway, like I said.
Anyway, look, these are still warm and just, I mean, look.
Good.
Perfect. They're perfect.
Good.
Perfect on the bottom. I mean.
I'm telling you, the trick is not to cook them so long.
That's perfect.
That's the trick. Don't cook them so long. You'll think, oh, they're still raw. Pull them out.
That's crispy.
I did it exactly 8 minutes. Now everybody's stove's different. 8 to 10, I would say. Don't let them. I wouldn't personally let them go past 10 minutes at 375. So
that's fantastic.
It is.
That's a good cookie.
Listen, if you got kids that has to take little treats to school, here it is. And you're on a budget. Most everything you have already in the kitchen, and I bought the little chocolate chips, $1.99. So you can't beat that. It's cheaper for 48 cookies than if you was to go buy them, but also to get the little packets and cook theirs. It's like $4.99, I think, now for a roll of dough.
And you still got to scoop them out.
Yeah, you still got to cook them.
Yeah, you still got to cook them.
Still got to cook them.
It didn't really take that long to mix it all up.
It doesn't take long at all when you got them whipped up. So I try to keep my little chocolate chips in the pantry so that when they do come over, I've got everything I need. But anyway,
they love it. Let me tell you, they love it.
They do. Bless their hearts, they sure do. But anyway, y'all, just a quick, simple And like I said, I've had a couple people now ask for the recipe, so I said I'll just get on there and do it for you.
Well, this is a good one.
Yeah. So maybe one day my little grandbabies will look back at this video and say, "Oh, look at there, that's how Gigi did it." If they don't remember. But anyway, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching, for loving on us.
Yeah,
and,
we appreciate it.
Appreciate every one of you.
Absolutely.
Yep. And until next time.